everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have a lot of our friends. Today we have my brother Bentley, we have Clara, and we have Clara's brother Isaac, and then we have Lucas and Caleb. Today we're just going to run around the playground and we'll show you later the building stuff we'll be doing. Today we're just going to be playing around, having fun, doing kids usually. And then later I'll be showing you around Claire and Isaac's farm. But this is Claire and Isaac's farm. So later I'll be showing you around, I'll be showing you what we've been doing, and for now we're just going to play with the kids. And I also like playing. Today's such a nice day, 67 degrees, it is such a nice day. And this is my favorite day. Today I have Claire with me. This is where she lives. Claire, do you wanna tell them what you love most about the farm? What do you love most about your farm? I love bunnies. You like the bunnies? Yeah. What are the bunnies' names? Hank, Olive, and Mona. Hank, Olive, and Mona. Is that from Trash Truck? Yeah. What do you do on your farm a lot, Clara? Dog. What? Dog. Claire likes to garden a lot. That's what she does a lot out at the farm. Do you like to garden? Plants. Claire likes to garden plants, is what she said. I would. Alright, today I'm gonna work on a secret surprise. We gotta make sure Maggie does not see us. Or else, surprise would be good. They got a lot, right now, all the grown-ups and the kids are distracted by making the garden great. Right now, I'm going to tell you what kind of surprise. Okay. Alright, today we're making a surprise for Maggie. Maggie cannot see. So we're going to try to get it done fast. So we're just gonna break all this stone over here to the sides. Then we're gonna put flamingos in. Over here. Today I'll show you Maggie's whole farm. And let me say, I don't know if they sell honey, but they give us honey, and boy do they make some good honey. Right now the bees aren't working, but we'll get some honey in the spring. Okay, Belly's helping with the surprise. I'm a police, you know. He's not a police. Yes, I am. No, he...
Bentley, you want to say something?
No.
No? Okay.
Jill and Jess, I really love your guys' videos so much. Then we got... Can you go tell Maggie that she needs to close her eyes and come over here? Thank you.
Look at our flamingo family. We got Big Mama right there, baby number 1, baby number 2, and Skylar's coming in with baby number 3. Let's go get her reaction when she sees her new garden.
Okay.
Apologize. I was yesterday and that was not what you wanted.
Just put your hands out.
You're not gonna walk me into something, are you?
No. You're good right now.
Make me trip.
Okay, here's the gate. We'll let you know when you can open your eyes. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Open!
Whoa! Look at that fresh dirt! And pinkies!
We made you a new garden.
Yay! It's ready to go. Look at that.
This is the flamingo family right here.
The flamingo family.
Yep.
They're back out. They're
Yep.
ready. Aw, thanks, girl.
You're welcome.
And Guy, if you helped.
We helped a little bit.
Great job. Y'all are working hard.
Alright, now we're just going to take a sip of water and then I'll show you the whole family. I'm going to show you Claire and Isaac and Maggie and Josh's farm. We have their trees. I don't know what kind of big trees they are, but they're pear trees. They're pear trees. Claire says they're pear trees. And they got bees. Yeah.
The bees are working hard today.
Yep. But so bad. They're making yummy honey. And they're really bad. They're really bad. I wonder where the queen bee is. Yeah. Right in there landing. And then, right now, all the dads are building a new fence. A goat. Yeah, they're building a goat fence. So all the dads are building goat fence. And then we have buddies. So we have Hank, Olive, and Mona. So we have Hank, Olive, and Mona. These are Claire and Isaac's friends.
Mona,
Let's see what else we have.
Olive,
And Hank. And then we have a chicken coop. And this is for Nomis. He's really nice. And he says, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." They got some quail too. Yep, we have quail.
right over there.
And now I'm gonna take you to the. We have the duck pen. Yeah, then we got the ducks. They're so cute. They love being nice. They're so cool, and they're gonna put them in the mud. All right. Now I'm gonna show you the garden. And then I'm gonna talk about it too.
Step on the trip line.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, Skylar wins. Good job, guys.
Lucas, Isaac, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Dirt.
And we're putting it in there.
Nice.
Figure out.
Now we're working on a new garden.
I just cleaned it. Are you gonna get? What am I doing? We are creating
Isaac,
raised.
come on. So many jobs to do. Taking care of the plants. We can do our own.
Yes, we have so many jobs to do to take care of plants. Let's see. We started a farm share program here on the Seed That Sprouted farm, and we are creating rows. Yeah, I think that's our calendula from last year that didn't make it. So we're creating rows to plant in because we're gonna put fabric over them. Are you helping me explain?
Yeah.
So we can extend the growing season and we can start planting. Because we need some food to grow to give to other people. And then we're gonna lay some cardboard and straw down in between the rows to help keep the weeds under control so we don't have to pick as many weeds this year.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm just getting the compost put together so we can make the little raised aisles for her so she can start all of that. So we're basically trying to start the groundwork for everything for her so she can actually get the planting soon.
Something else that I want to show you. Thank you, Maggie and Mom. Now I'm going to show you the greenhouse. water conditioner, so it rains to come all the way down and then it's green. This is the greenhouse. Maggie lets me walk in it.
And guys, look how hot it is in here right now. It's very hot.
It's hot.
Alright, plants.
I'll get your family here in a second.
That's the greenhouse. We have a little walkway with rocks for the path. Back outside we go.
And they have a big playground and they have a big shed area. And our animals are gonna be so cute and they're so soft and so lovely. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video, watching this new video. I hope you subscribe and I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day. Bye. Next video, it's gonna be something colorful, something expensive, something you don't see much.
Bye everybody.
Bye.